Mount St. Helens, a seemingly serene peak in the Cascade Range, has a fiery secret. This majestic mountain with its snow-capped summit and lush green surroundings holds within it a history of explosive power and transformation. It is not merely a mountain, it is a volcano, and it has been slumbering for decades. The tranquility of its appearance belies the turbulent forces that lie beneath, forces that have shaped the landscape and will continue to do so. Recently, a series of tremors have shaken the ground around Mount St. Helens. These tremors, though small, are significant. They are the Earth's way of communicating, signaling that changes are afoot. These seismic whispers are a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant beneath its surface. The steam rising from its peak and the occasional rock slides are but a prelude to what could be a much larger event. The mountain is awake, and its awakening demands our attention. Scientists and researchers are closely monitoring these signs, trying to predict what might come next. We must look back to understand the present and peer into the future of this restless giant. The catastrophic eruption of 1980 serves as a stark reminder of the potential devastation that can occur. In the realm of cosmic time, volcanic eruptions are mere blips. Yet for us, they are monumental events that can reshape entire regions and alter the course of human history. But for us, inhabitants of this planet, they are events of profound consequence. The ash clouds, the lava flows, and the pyroclastic surges are not just natural phenomena. They are forces that impact lives, ecosystems, and economies. They remind us that we live on a dynamic, ever-changing world. A world where the ground beneath our feet is constantly shifting, and where the forces of nature are always at play. The Earth speaks to us through earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and other natural phenomena. Are we listening? Are we prepared to heed its warnings and adapt to its ever-changing rhythms? On May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens roared back to life. The once serene and majestic peak, nestled in the Cascade Range of Washington state, became the epicenter of one of the most significant volcanic events in modern history. The eruption was a cataclysmic event forever etched in the annals of history. It was not just a local disaster but a global spectacle, capturing the attention of scientists, media, and the public worldwide. A massive landslide triggered by an earthquake unleashed a lateral blast that ripped through the landscape at supersonic speeds. This lateral blast was so powerful that it flattened everything in its path, including forests, homes, and infrastructure. The eruption column soared 80,000 feet into the atmosphere, blanketing the region in ash. The ash cloud spread across multiple states, causing disruptions in air travel and affecting weather patterns. 57 lives were lost on that fateful day. The victims included scientists, photographers, and residents who were caught in the path of destruction. Their stories are a poignant reminder of the human cost of natural disasters. Towns and cities were shrouded in darkness as ash rained down from the sky. The thick layer of ash disrupted daily life, causing schools and businesses to close and making roads impassable. The once familiar landscape transformed into a desolate wasteland. The lush greenery and vibrant ecosystems were replaced by a barren gray expanse, forever altering the region's natural beauty. The eruption of Mount St. Helens served as a stark reminder of the raw power of nature. It highlighted the need for better understanding and preparedness for such events, as well as the resilience of communities in the face of unimaginable adversity. Volcanoes are not static entities, they are dynamic systems, constantly evolving and changing. After an eruption, a volcano enters a phase known as recharge. During this period, magma slowly rises from the Earth's mantle, replenishing the magma chamber beneath the volcano. Think of it like a pressure cooker. As magma accumulates, pressure builds within the volcano. This pressure is released during eruptions. Scientists monitor volcanic recharge to assess the potential for future eruptions. Whispers from the deep current seismic activity. Mount St. Helens is once again showing signs of unrest. Earthquakes, although small in magnitude, are becoming more frequent. The ground around the volcano is subtly deforming, indicating that magma is rising. Gas emissions, such as sulfur dioxide, are also being detected. These signs do not necessarily mean that an eruption is imminent. However, they tell us that the volcano is reawakening. Scientists are using sophisticated instruments to monitor these changes and assess the risk of future eruptions. Unveiling nature's secrets discoveries since 1980. The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens was a tragedy, but it was also an opportunity for scientific discovery. The event provided a natural laboratory for studying volcanic processes, ecological succession, and the resilience of life. Scientists have learned a great deal about how volcanoes work, how ecosystems recover after disturbances, and how to better predict and mitigate the impacts of future eruptions. These discoveries have implications for communities living near volcanoes around the world. Life finds a way. Nature's remarkable resilience. In the immediate aftermath of the 1980 eruption, the blast zone around Mount St. Helens resembled a lifeless moonscape. However, nature is remarkably resilient. Slowly but surely, life began to return. Plants began to colonize the ash-covered slopes, providing habitat for insects and small animals. Lakes and streams, once choked with debris, gradually cleared, allowing fish to thrive. The recovery of the ecosystem around Mount St. Helens is a testament to the enduring power of life. Living with Giants: Humanity's Adaptation and Lessons Learned. In this chapter, we delve into the intricate relationship between humans and one of nature's most formidable forces, volcanoes. These geological giants have shaped our planet's landscape and influenced human civilization in profound ways. Volcanoes are a part of the Earth's natural rhythm. They are the planet's way of releasing pent-up energy from deep within its core. This process, though destructive, is also a creator of new landforms and ecosystems. They have been erupting for billions of years, and they will continue to do so long after we are gone. Each eruption tells a story of the Earth's inner workings, a narrative written in molten rock and ash. We must learn to live in harmony with these powerful forces of nature. Communities around the world have adapted to the presence of volcanoes, developing unique cultures and practices to coexist with these unpredictable neighbors. The 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens taught us many valuable lessons about volcanic hazards, monitoring, and preparedness. It was a stark reminder of the potential for sudden and catastrophic change. We have made significant strides in our ability to predict and mitigate the impacts of eruptions. Advances in technology have allowed scientists to monitor volcanic activity with unprecedented precision, providing early warnings that can save lives. However, we must remain vigilant. The forces at play are immense and often unpredictable. Continuous research and investment in monitoring systems are crucial to improving our preparedness. We are but temporary residents on this planet, sharing it with forces far greater than ourselves. Our time here is fleeting, but the impact of our actions can resonate for generations. Mount St. Helens stands as a stark reminder of this truth. Its landscape, forever altered by the 1980 eruption, is a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of life. Let us heed its warnings, respect its power, and marvel at its beauty. The volcano's majesty is a humbling sight, reminding us of our place in the natural world. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the story of Mount St. Helens is far from over. As we continue to study and learn from this iconic volcano, we gain insights that help us better understand our planet and our place within it.